recording நம்ம வந்து விட்டுட்டோம். This one is here. இதுல தான் நம்ம வந்து நேத்து வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டே வந்தோம். இதுலயே போட்டுட்டோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு எல்லா சம்ஸும் எப்படி ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம். புக்ல வந்து ஒரு சில எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. That is not the method. அதே மெத்தட்ல நம்மளால ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியாது. Alright, we can't work in that same method, so we have to find some other different method to understand. So let's go with plain sheets itself. Okay, so sum of AP. Sum of AP. AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, and it goes on. The last two term would be the last term would be A plus n minus 1 into D. The one before, the term before would be A plus n minus 2 into D. A plus n minus 2 into D. So Sn will be addition of this. A plus D plus A plus 2D, and it goes on till A plus n minus 1 into D. I'm going to reverse this order. So Sn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then the second term would be A plus n minus 2 into D. And third term A plus n minus 3 into D. And it goes on. We'll be getting A plus 2D, A plus D, A. So I'm going to add all these sets like this. 1, then this set, and again this set. Likewise, I'm going to add each and every set A. All right, so this is A plus A, 2A, n minus 1 into D. All right, here 2A, D, n minus 2D. It also gives n minus 1D. So each and every step I'm getting 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Each and every step I'm getting the same. So this becomes, how many times it is? N times. 1, 2, 3 until n times. So n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. LHS would be 2Sn. So Sn equal to divided by 2, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, thus this is the formula. And this 2A is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the first term. This is the last term. If first and last term is given, we can write the same Sn formula as n by 2 into first term plus last term. All right, whatever data which has been given to us, that data will be specified. All right, that data will be specified. That's how we'll be getting the result. All right, that's how we'll be getting the result. So Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. Okay, all right. This is what happens. Okay, right? Done. So two formula, what and all formulas we have come across until now?
A plus n minus D. Sn is equals to now with this formula is 2A plus n minus D, n minus 1 D, L plus A divided by L.
Okay, Tn equal to term or An Tn, any term A plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, which number, and d is the common difference. And this d equal to t2 minus t1, or t3 minus t2, or t4 minus t. All right. Then what and all we came across? If there is sum of three terms, sum of three consecutive terms of AP, we have to take a minus d, a plus d. If it's sum of four consecutive terms, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. If it's 5, 1 will also be 5. 5, 3, 2, 1, a plus d plus 2d. It will give 5. What we need is the common difference should be same. Here it is 2d, here it is 2d, here it is 2d. When we apply this, we can easily get the result. This is what we got. Then now we found n equal to last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. Last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. Separate. A lot of people would add this 1 to this and confuse the total answer. All right. So we had to be careful there. Now we came across two more formulas. Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn equal to n by 2, a plus first term plus last term. These two formulas we came across. So let's combine all the required questions. The sum of terms of sequence is called series. If a series have finite number of terms, it is called finite series. Right? A series whose terms are in dash is called AP. Whose terms are in AP, AP is called AP, arithmetic series. If the first term and last term of AP is given, the formula for the sum would be
equals to n by 2 a plus n.
That's it. Okay. Okay. Find this first example. Okay. Is this one exactly sharing? I have to check. 1, 2. One, two, both are sharing. Good. Find the sum of first 15 terms. When questions like this are given, what and all we have to do is what is given here. N equal to 15 is given. Then a equal to 8 is given. All right. D equal to 7 1 by 4 minus 8. All right. 7 1 by 4 minus 8. 7. This is 7 plus 1 by 4 minus 8. That is 1 by 4 minus 1. This mixed fraction can be segregated. 7 plus 1 by 4. It will be easy for us, or else we have to complete it. 28 plus 1, 29 by 4 minus 8. Then again into 4 divided by 4, then we will be getting the answer. For that, we can easily segregate like this also. So 1 by 4, 7 minus 8 is minus 1. So the answer is minus 3 by 4. All right, minus 3 by 4. By looking at this question itself, we can say 8, 7.25 minus 7 minus 0.75. That is minus 3 by 4. If you're strong, you will be getting that answer. Or they ask for Sn, that is S15 equal to question mark. They didn't give the last term. Only AP is given. So S15 Sn formula. Until you practice, you have to write the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n 15 divided by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 14 into minus 3 by 4. Can we take 2 as common here? We have 2 and 14, isn't it? 2 as common. It can easily get cancelled, isn't it? 15 by 2 into 2, 8 plus into minus, minus. Balance is 7 into 3 divided by 4. Okay. Out of this 14, 2 is gone. So 7 plus into minus. I have to put this minus sign first. Balance is 7 and 3 divided by 4. So 2 gets cancelled. 15 is here. 8 minus 21 by 4. If I multiply and divide by 4, I'll be getting 32 divided by 4 minus 21 divided by 4. Now I could see that 15 into this is 32 minus 21 is 11 by 4. So I can easily answer the question. 15 into 11. Good. You're getting into the groove. You're getting the answer immediately. See, that is the difference which we can create when you're strong with fundamental mathematics, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Immediately you're getting this, isn't it? Here too, I can easily take LCM and multiply and everything, but for me it would be better if I could make the denominator same. So that's why I multiply and divide by 4 so that the step will be minimized. I know this is 32 minus 21 divided by 4, right? You got the result. Now, if you want to cancel one time, if you want to put it in mixed fraction also, we can do. All right, mixed fraction also we can do. How we can convert into mixed fraction? 1 time, 4 times, remainder 0, 1 time, remainder 1. So 41, 1 divided by 4 would be the answer. All right, got it? So that's what the first example is all about. Okay. Given term, this is the term, what I'm going to get the answer as. All right. See? Okay. Then find the sum of until 1. We have to find L is n is we don't have n here. We don't have n here. I'll go for next pages. We have to find this n. We don't have n at all. So first we have to find n. First term okay 0.40. Last term 1. Okay. If I know n, I can easily answer it. All right. So n equal to last term 1 minus first term 0.4 divided by common difference. No, 0.03. All right. Don't forget to use the methods properly. Minus 0.40. Don't confuse yourself. Okay. A lot of people would be putting 3 there. Definitely they'll be putting 3. Automatically the answer will be wrong. All right. Plus 1. So 0.6 divided by 0.03 plus 1. For this, I want to change this into normal. I don't want this points, decimals. It will be difficult for me. I can easily be misled. So I'm going to multiply and divide by 100 so that this would become 3. This becomes 60 divided by 3 plus 1. A lot of people would get confused here and they will give a wrong answer. They'll put 2 here. All right. So first you have to get this well. All right. So it is 20 plus 1, 21. Now I have n. According to the formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So n is 21 divided by 2. A is 0.40 plus 1. So 21 by 2 into 1.40. 1 time 0.7. Here also I can convert into 10 divided by 10 to make things easy for me. All right. So 21 into 7, this one becomes 21 into 7 divided by 10. By 10 is I will just move the points. All right. So this one is 21 into 7 is
147.
good. 147 by 10, 14.7. Okay. That's 14.7 will be the answer. All right. Uh, here there will be an example sum. They would be putting the requirement is everything will be there in the book, but what are the simple methods which can be followed here? That will not be there. That will not be there. So we have to be sharp enough to get that desired result. All right. Okay. Check this question. How many terms of series 1, 5 and 9 must be taken so their sum is 190? They are asking for n. All right. They are asking for n. They are asking for n. Find the value of n. Find the value for n. They are given Sn equal to 190. A is 1. D equal to 5 minus 1, 4. Question mark. What is the question mark? N equal to question mark. We don't have last term. We have this only. So I'm just going to substitute the given data just like that. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 190 equal to n divided by 2 into 2 into 1, 2 plus n minus 1 into 2, 4. All right. I can take 2 as common here. Always we can take 2 as common in this place. Generally we can easily take 2 as common here. We'll be definitely getting a even number here, and we can easily cancel. A lot of people would be multiplying, then dividing, and again they'll be proceeding. Everyone in book, what they used to do is they will take this 2 here, 380, then multiply this, then multiply the n. You'd be getting in terms of n's and everything, n and n squares, quadratic equation. After that they will proceed. All right. So we can take 2 as common here. 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 will be there. 2 as common here. While taking common, don't forget to take common for this term and this term together. All right. 2 can be cancelled. N into 1 plus 2n minus 2. So n into 1 2n minus 1. So when I multiply this n, 2n squared minus n, this 190, when this comes here, 190. When this 190 comes here, it becomes 2n squared minus n minus 190 equal to 0. Here there is a value 2. So we can't just segregate like that. What is the rule for factorization of this kind? First, we have to multiply a and c. Minus 380. 2 into a into c. Okay, a into c. Minus 380. When I add, I had to get minus 1. When I multiply, I have to get 3. So it can be 19 into 20. Okay. So which one should be minus? The greater number should be minus to get minus 1. So 2n squared minus 20n plus 19n minus 190 equal to 0. When you segregate this, definitely we can take things common here. All right. So 2n is common. 2n is common. Hence balance is n minus 10. When I take 19 as common, n minus 10. Definitely when I take the maximum common, I will be getting these two common here. So here I'm taking n minus 10 as common. 2n plus 19 is there. So n minus 10 equal to 0, n equal to 10. 2n plus 19 equal to 0, n equal to minus 19 by 2. If you practice ax plus b equal to 0, the 0 is minus b by a. You can immediately put minus b by a. N is a positive integer. It cannot be a negative term. So this is not the answer. N equal to 10 is the right answer. All right. So what is given? I will take that given data and proceed with the answer. I will not budge up any place. All right. It may look like a long step for a lot of people, but actually it is not a long step. Actually, we can easily get to the result in a proper systematic manner. Check the solution, how they are given. The same question, what they have done. This is your book, all right? This will be your book answer. In book, this example would be like this. They'll be just giving the value, substituting. Suddenly they'll be moving to the next part. See here, they're multiplying with 380. But what we did, we took 2 as common and cancelled here itself. They multiplied and got it. Then again they divided it by 2 and got this answer. Why we have to do that? All right. There will not be any step in between here. How we got this? A lot of people won't be knowing. Actually, they multiplied the 4. It will be like 4n squared minus 2n minus 380 equal to 0. Then they will divide it by 2 and get this. Why we have to do that? All right. So here also, how they segregate it, they won't be giving it at all, because minus 380 minus 1, they won't be giving this at all. Directly the answer has been provided. Students may not understand why it comes at all. That's where people would be missing. Okay. Understand the fundamental, get to the concept, but in between steps, what are the in between steps you have to work on? That definitely you have to work on. All right. Okay. Let's check the progress. The nth term of AP is of the form n Pn plus Q, where P and Q are constants. Okay. All right. Definitely we can write it like that. The sum of nth term of AP is Pn squared plus Qn plus R, where PQR are some constants. Yeah. From that formula, where you have to get this is from that formula only you have to get. All right. Check here. Tn equal to, for any number. All right. For any number. A plus n minus 1 into d. I multiplied this d here. So a plus nd minus d. So a minus d is a constant and d is a constant. So both are some constants, isn't it? That is p into n, d into n, and q, a minus d, is also any number. Some constant they are given. Yeah, definitely. Here the second part is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here I will be getting n squared, n, and r, where there will be definitely n squared, and there may be a coefficient before that, and different coefficient before n, and constant. Definitely there will be a constant number too. So it is also it is also the fundamental. All right, we can easily say that also we will also be getting this one. Okay, all right. I think this is R won't be coming. I think so. What do you think? Why?
Because in this formula,
Only n and n squared will be there. There is no R at all. Normal numbers will not be there. Sn will be in the format of n squared and n. So this is false. It is not an R. Only these two terms are sufficient. Okay, good. Now the 13th term of AP is 3 and the sum of first 13th term is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of 21. Wow, so many questions at one point. First, from the question, check what and all they ask for. Check what and all they ask for. All right. Given 13th term of AP is 3. So from this, we can say T13 equal to 3. So T13 is A plus 12D equal to 3. All right. Then sum of first 13 term is 234. S N S S13 is 234. They are given. So 234 equal to N 13 by 2 into 2A plus 13 minus 1 12D. So 13 by 2 into 2. I am taking 2 common. A plus 6D. When I bring this 13 here, 234 by 13 equal to A plus 6D. Definitely it will be divisible. All right. 13 ones are 1 time, remainder 10, 8 times, 18. So we got another equation A plus 6D equal to 18. What they asked for, the question mark is as for us D equal to question mark, T21 equal to question mark. Sorry, S21, not T21, S21 is question mark. Okay, to find D, when I subtract these two, A plus 12D is 3, A plus 6D is 18. When I subtract minus, I'll be getting A minus A. Ah, yes, pa? Nudge. What happened? So it becomes 6D. 6D equal to minus 15. All right. So D equal to minus 15 by 6.
6 minus 15
Hence,
பண்ண முடியாது.
division. 3 table cancel பண்ணோம்னா, when we cancel it by 3, 2 times, 5 times. So minus 5 by 2 is D. When I substitute minus 5 by 2 as D, when I substitute minus 5 by 2 as D, automatically I'd be getting, okay, by substituting D equal to minus 5 by 2 in this one, we will be getting A plus 12D. 12 into minus 5 by 2 equal to 3. 1 time, 6 times. So A equal to 3 plus 30. All right, 3 plus 30. This is minus 30. Okay, when it goes here, plus 30. So A equal to 33. Then Sn, S21 is a question mark, isn't it? Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When I substitute that, n is 21 divided by 2. 1, n can be cancelled here itself. It would be even number, or else we can take common and cancel. Into 2 into 33 plus 20 into minus 5 by 2. So when I take 2 as common, 21 by 2 into 2, 33 plus, here it is 10, isn't it? 10 into minus 5 by 2. This can get cancelled. Here also I can easily cancel 5 times. Plus into minus, minus 25. So 21 into 33 minus 25, 8. 21 into 8 is? Good. 168. Well done. That's it. We have got the final answer. All right. So what are us given? What is asked? How I'm going to, what kind of formula I'm going to use for that? Apply and slowly get the result. Apply it, you'll be getting the required result. Okay. Think properly, then you can easily proceed. Each and every sum have the specific methods. When you apply the, see, they can also divide this by 2, isn't it? A plus 6D equal to 18. But why they are not doing that? It will become easy, isn't it? While solving, we can just subtract and cancel this A and get the result. Why it's not been done? So that's how we have to get the result. All right. So check this question. In the AP, the sum of first n term is 5n squared by 2 and 3n by 2. Find the 17th term. We just have to substitute 17 and get it. All right. Find the 17th term. 17th term we have to find. How to find 17? We only know the sum, isn't it? So first 16 term will be S16. First 17 term will be S17. So S17 minus S16 will give T17. That's it. All right. So S17. 17 is 5 into 17 square. What is 17 square? 289. Okay, next time you should be strong, or else you will be getting imposition. Whenever, even if I call and ask what is this, you have to answer, or else it will be an imposition. You can you did this 11 some dollars center multiple, immediately you are getting the answer. Within fraction of a second you are getting the answer, because you have done those exercises. All right, you should not stop with the squares. Squares are really important. The same question will become difficult. 17 into 17, I have to multiply the 17 into 17, get the answer, then multiply by 5. It will be very difficult. I don't want that to happen at all. All right, I don't want that to happen at all. And is there only one way for completing this? That is also not true. All right, see here we have to 5 into 17 square, 5 into 289, then divide by 2, then 3 into 17. What is 3 into 17? 51. All right, 30 plus 21, 51, divided by 2, or 60 minus 9. All right, 51 divided by 2, then I have to add it, then I have to subtract it, I have to add it, cancel it, and I have to get the result. Now what I'm going to do is S17, the same S17 equal to 5 into 17 square divided by 2, okay, plus 3 into 17 divided by 2. Good. Sorry, 3 into 17 divided by 2. What I'm going to do, 17 by 2, I'm going to take common. I'm going to take 17 by 2 as common. 17 divided by 2. Balance will be 5 into 17 plus 3. So 17 by 2, this is 85 plus 3. Huh?
Sorry, 85.
85 plus 3 is 88. Now I can cancel 44. When I multiply this, I'll be getting the result. This can also be taken as 4 into 11. 17 into 4 is 40 plus 28, 68. So 68 into 11. This one would be 748. See, here we didn't do any extra multiplication, everything. It is a stepwise. I'm just taking things common and simplifying it and getting the result immediately. But look at the above step. It looks like an easy step, but 5 into 289. First we have to multiply the 17 into 17, then multiply that by 5, divide by 2, then 3 into 17, then add this 2, divide by 2, then you'll be getting the answer. When the steps are simple, you can definitely get the answer easily. All right, okay, this is what we'll be doing. What about this S16? S16, 16 by 2, n by 2, 16 by 2 into, sorry, we had this formula, isn't it? 5n squared by 2 plus 3n by 2. See here, only n squared and n term is there. Constant 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Any term can be there. There is no r. All right, there is no r for that sum. That question, thinking question. 5n squared, 5 into 16 squared divided by 2 plus 3 into n by 2, 3 into 16 by 2. Here I can cancel here itself. One time 16 into 8. All right, 16 into 8. Here it is 8. Then I can take 8 as common. 5 into 16, 80 plus 3. 80 plus 3. So 8 into 83. 640 plus 24. 80 plus 3 is 80 plus 3. 640. 8 squared, 64. 0. 640 plus 24. 660. Now just I have to subtract this 2 to get the result. All right. Make things easy by working with mathematics. If you're multiplying, dividing, if you're squaring this 16 into 16, then multiplying by 5, then dividing by 2, then 3 into 16 dividing by 2, the answer will be enormous. See, they didn't even cancel it. It could be cancelled here itself. The answer will be very, very simple, isn't it? They didn't even cancel it. If they cancel itself, you can get 5 into 8 into 60. Here also 3 into 8. You're just adding those two numbers to get the result. So T17 is 84. All right. Make things very, very simple. That's how you have to work. This is also a very good sum, but I don't know why they are taking this much complicated steps for these sums. Lot of writings, reading. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 300 to 600 which are divisible by 7. How to find the first number? No, we can't answer like that. Think about the Euclid division lemma or congruence rule. 7, isn't it? 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 until 280 it will be fine. Until 280 it will be fine. So only 20 is there. 20 plus 1 would be divided by 7. So only 1 should be added to this. Okay, 1 should be added to this. So 301 would be the first term. All right, 301 would be the first term. Then the next one, 600. What would be the last term which will be divisible by 7? Again, 70, 70, 56. 8 times 56. If I subtract that 560, I'll be getting 40. All right. In 40, 35 is divisible by 7. Remainder 5. Subtract that 5 from the question. 595 would be the answer. So why you work with all those congruence rule, division rules, and everything is to make this easy. To make this easy, it's not about I'm studying a rule. Not only here, when you're going for higher education, you definitely want to become a professor or something, you have to do PhD. All the places would be, you should be spending very, very lesser time. So you have to, just applying that rule, I got the result. All right. Applying that rule, I got the result. The congruence rule. Okay, this can be segregated. Only 20 is there. So what would be the number I have to add to make it divisible by 7? 21. 1 should be added. Here, I got the remainder as 5. So I have to subtract that 5 to get the last number, 595. We have first term, last term, and common difference also. We don't know n. We have to find n. So n equal to last term 595 minus 301 divided by 7 plus 1. So 595 minus 300, 295. Okay, 295 minus 1, 294 divided by 7 plus 1. 1 time, 4 times, remainder 1, 2, 43 times. Okay, they ask for Sn. N by 2, 43 divided by 2, A is 301 plus 595. Two odd numbers will definitely add to even number. 43 divided by 2 into, I am adding 596, 896. Divide by 2, 4 times, 96 is 48 times. All right. So 43 into 48, you'll be getting the answer. All right. That's how you got this. Add this, subtract, and you'll be getting the answer. When things are simple, you can easily go with the problem, go with the flow. When it's not simple, definitely it will be somewhat confusing for us. All right. Udamatam. Okay. A mosaic is designed in the shape of an equilateral triangle, 12 feet on each side. 12 feet on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 12, and in that they have inserted 11. All right. The tiles are alternate in color as shown in fig. Find the number of tiles of each color and total number of tiles in the mosaic. Okay. In the first row, we have 12. All right, 12 white. In second row, we have 11 white. Third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 12, 11, 10. The final one is 1. All right. The blue one is 11, and the final one is 1. 11, 10, final one is 1. Okay. Got it? So the number of white tile is, for white tile, it is 1 to 12, isn't it? D is 1, A is 1, N is 12. All right, 12 by 2 into A plus L, 78. Blue tile is 1 to 11. All right, so 11 by 2 into same 1 plus 11. Automatically, it will not be any change in there. All right, A plus L. Here they are given A plus L. All right, A plus L. Automatically, that's what you'll be getting. Totally 12. It starts from 0 to 11. So 12 divided by 2 into 11, or else 11 divided by 2 into, if we take 1 and 11, n is 11 divided by 2 into 12, both will be same. Don't get confused. Okay. So 66. So the total number of tile is addition of that. Understanding and decrypting the answer will give you the proper result. Think about the next question. The houses of a street are numbered from 1 to 49. Senthil's house is numbered such that the sum of numbers of the house prior to Senthil's house is equal to the sum of numbers of the house following Senthil's house. Find the Senthil's house number. The house or street numbered from 1 to 49. Senthil's house is numbered such that the sum of number of the house prior to Senthil is equal to the sum of number beyond, after. Okay. So 1 to so let it be Senthil's house X. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and his number will be coming as X. Prior to this and after this. That's what they are told, isn't it? x. So until prior to census house, it will be 1, 2, 3 and x minus 1. And after census house will be x plus 1, x plus 2 until 49. Both are equal. That's what they specify. So n is x minus 1 divided by 2. A is first term is 1 plus x minus 1. Okay. Then here it is, what is n?
You have to find it.
So n would be 49 minus x plus 1. This is n, isn't it? We have to subtract these numbers, isn't it? We have to find, okay, that is 1 to 49 is the sum of all this number minus 1 to x. 1 to x will give the sum of x plus 1 to x plus 1. All right. Or else we have to find the exact value of n. Value of n is 49 minus x. Okay, 49 minus x. 49 minus x divided by 2. See here, 1, 2, 3 x, then x plus 1 is going on 2, 3 until 49. So number of terms here would be 49 minus x. All right. This is a phenomena which we will be working in another special series too. But let's go according to the rule. According to the rules of Sn, n divided by 2 into a plus l. That's the rule. Okay. There is no other segregation in that, isn't it? That's what we will be doing. X is 49 minus n is 49 minus x divided by 2 into a is x plus 1, l is 49. Okay, then we can just multiply and cancel the desired results. Okay, and get the answer. But for your purpose, let's work this out, or else this question you won't be understanding at all. There will be confusing things. One to 49. 1, 2, x minus 1, x, x plus 1, 49, 48, 49. Okay, this is census house. This is census house. According to that, they are saying that the sum of this thing and this thing are equal. Okay, so applying that concept, the sum Sn formula is n by 2 into a plus l. So n here is x minus 1 divided by 2 into a is 1 plus x minus 1. Last term is x minus 1. Okay, then equal to, here it is 49 minus x is the number of terms here. So 49 minus x divided by 2 into first term x plus 1 plus 49. All right, this two can be cancelled. This two can be cancelled. Next, x minus 1 is there, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, only x is there. Here 49 minus x is there. Here 50 plus x is here. Okay, when I multiply, I'll be getting x squared minus x. Here 49 is into 50. What is 49 into 50? 2500 minus 50. Minus 50. 2500 minus 50. Then 49 into x plus 49x minus 50x minus x square.
Minus x square and x square.
So 2450 minus x square. Okay. Then here is an x squared minus x would get cancelled because it becomes plus. This is x squared and minus x squared. So this goes here. 2x squared equal to 2450. So x squared equal to 2450 divided by 2. But how is this possible? This is not possible, Lama.
It's 2x square.
Hmm?
When we divide 2.
No. X squared will be there. It should be a whole number, isn't it? So 1, 2, 2, 5. Yeah, whole number. This is 35 square. 35 square. 35 into 35, you would be getting this. So x equal to plus or minus 35. X cannot be negative because that's a house number. So x is 35. What I'm not good at this is they are applying the concept of SN here, but here they are not applying the concept of SN. They are working on 2SN. 1 to 49 minus 1 to x they are doing. Why they have to do that? What's the requirement for that? All right, that's not the right thing, isn't it? If one thing is followed here, the same thing can be followed here. N is 49 minus x divided by 2 into a plus l. A is this, l is this. So I have to proceed just like that, isn't it? You can easily get the answer, right? A lot of people would get confused. Why this, why that, why this, why that, why they are doing this, why we have to take common like this. The fundamental rule is n by 2 into a plus l. Apply that, you will be getting the result. You don't have to look, oh, they have worked like this and this. That's not the rule. The rule is this. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to get the result. All right. So check the next question. Example 2.39. The sum of first n terms, n, 2n, and 3n terms of AP are S1, S2, and S3. Prove that S3 equal to 3S2 minus S1. Okay. 3 into S2 minus S1 would be S3. We know S1 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Here, S2 equal to 2n. They are given n equal to 2n, isn't it? 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 d. S3 is 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 d. While we are subtracting S2 and S3, subtracting S2 and S3, we'll be getting like this. We can take n2 as common also here, n by 2 as common also, and this 2 would be multiplying here, and automatically we'll be getting this. Okay, so 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is S3? 3n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. So 3 into this value gives the answer. All right. Or the sum of first n odd natural number. It will be n square. This one will be n into n plus 1. Okay. Even natural number will be n into n plus 1. This will be n square. I'll be teaching you when it comes to special series. All right. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 99. N is 99 plus 1 divided by 2. 50. 50 square. 2500 would be the answer for this. Okay. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 100. Here also n is 100 by 2. 50. 50 into 51. 2550 would be the answer for this. N into n plus 1. when you're sharp, whatever question, the answer sprouts up from you immediately. Right? You'll be getting these questions and all, but this is the formula: n square n into n plus 1. All right, nothing. We will be just using this Sn formula. Apply this. D is 2, n is this. Automatically, you will be getting this. Okay? I think you can easily put this: n equal to 40, a equal to 3, d equal to 4. D equal to 4. Formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Up to 27 terms. A is this, d equal to minus 5. 97 minus 2, minus 5. Then you have to get the answer. Here, 6, 7. L is there. First, we have to find L. Sorry, n. N equal to 97 minus 6. 91 divided by 7. That is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So answer would be 14 divided by 2 into 103. 7. So 721 would be the answer. How many consecutive odd integers begin with 5 will sum up to? Odd integers beginning with 5 will sum up to 480. A is 5. Odd integers. So D is 2. First term is 5. Second term is 7. Sn is 480. Sn is 480. So how many terms? N equal to question mark. We have A, we have D, we have Sn. If you want to put the sum, I will. Okay. Find the sum of first 28 terms of AP, whose nth term is 4n plus 3. 4n minus 3. N equal to 28 ma. Nth term they are given. First term is 4 minus 3, 1. A is 1. T1 is 4 into 1 minus 3. Last term is 28, isn't it? 4 into 28. 4 into 28? 112. Minus 3, 109. That's it. 1, 109. N is 28. 28. So n into just answer, you can proceed. Then the sum of first n terms of certain series is given by. Show that the series in AP. Sum they are given. We have to show it's in AP. If I put S1, n equal to 1, it has only one term, isn't it? I'll be getting first term. If I substitute n equal to 2, I will get S2. That is A1 plus A2. Right? A1 plus A2. So when I subtract A1 from it, I will be getting A2, second term. From S3, if I minus A2, S2, I'll be getting A2. So it's a common difference between these are same. D equal to same. Right answer. Fifth. The 104th term and 4th term of AP is 125 and 0. Super. Find the sum of first 35 terms. So here T104. 125. T104 is A plus 103D equal to 125. Fourth term is A plus 3D equal to 0. When I subtract, this will get cancelled. 100D equal to 125. So D equal to 1.25. That is 1.25 is 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4. Into 100 divided by 100. If you cancel by 25, you'll be getting 5 by 4. It can be written as 5 by 4 also. Then substitute in the any of the equation, isn't it? We found out D equal to 1.25. So when I substitute this d value here, a plus 3 into 5 divided by 4 equal to 0. So a equal to minus 15 by 4. I have a, I have d. So t s35 is the question mark. All right, that's it. Find the sum of all positive integers, all odd positive integers less than odd and positive integers only less than 450. That is 1 plus 2, sorry, 3 plus 449. N can be found out by 449 plus 1 divided by 2 we can find out, or else first term last term minus first term, 448 divided by common difference 2 plus 1, it will be 225. N you got, A you got, L you got, Sn. All right, find the sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 divisible by 4.
So not
Which are not divisible by 4. So the number is 603 to 901. Number 1, not divisible by 4. So from 603, 604, if we had to 901, this is A, this is L. You have to find N and find the answer. From this, what all number divisible by 4 we have to subtract. So 604, 608, the last number would be 900. Find this sum. A equal to this one. Here also you have to find last N. All right. Then apply that, add this, subtract this, you will be getting the answer. Find the sum of all natural number between 602 and 902, which are not divisible by 4. Add all the numbers from 603 to 901. Subtract 604 plus 608. That's Sn you have to subtract. You'll be getting the result. Alright. Then Raghu wishes to buy a laptop. He can buy it by paying 40,000 cash or by giving it in 10 installment of 4,800 in the first month, 4,750 in the second month, 4,700 in the third month, and so on. If he pays the money in this fashion, find the total amount paid in 10 installment. How much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost? He can buy by 40,000. We can put this. If you get that extra detail, it will be easy for you. From there on, converting it into a problem, you'll find it easy. Cost is 40,000. They are given cost equal to 40,000. You can pay 40,000 or 10 installment. 480, 4,800. A is 4,800. D is minus 50. 50 rupees is decreasing. All right. N is 10. All right. Which one would be best? We have to check how much difference it will be. So the total amount paid, Sn equal to N is 10 divided by 2 into 4,000, 2 into 4,800, 2A plus N minus 1, 9 into minus 50. All right. So 10 by 2, I don't want to cancel this. Multiplying by 10 is really easy for me. All right. So I take 2 as common here. 2 as common here. So 4,800. Here it is minus 25 it will be. All right. So minus 9 into 25, 225. All right. 2 get cancels. So 10 into 4,800 minus 200, 4,600 minus 25, 4,575 into 10, 45,750. So how much extra is paying? That's the question, isn't it? Total installment amount is this one. How much extra is paying? This is the first question. Rupees 45,750 is paying. The next question is how much extra? 3,750. That's it. That is the second. 45,750 minus 40,000, 5,750. Okay, that's it. Next one. Some questions will be really interesting. We have to understand, oh, what this is happening there. All right. Check the ninth question. A man repays a loan of 65,000 by paying 400 in the first month and then increasing the pay by 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? The total amount SN is 65,000. Every month, first month is paying 400, A is 400, then D is 300, next month is 700. How long he has to pay? So D is 300, N we don't know. That's what we have to find. So 65,000, I'll just give the fundamental idea for this. After that, you can proceed. Since you are already strong there, Sn equal to 65,000, A equal to 400, D equal to 300. So 65,000 equal to N by 2 into 400. 2 into 400 plus N minus 1 into 300. So when I take 2 common, N by 2 into 2, 400. Here it's only 150 now. So plus 150 N minus 150. N into 250. 150 N minus 250. Sorry, plus 250. Okay, 150 N plus 250. So this becomes 150 N square plus 250 N minus 65,000 equal to 0. When I divide it by 50, I'd be getting 3n square plus 5n. 10 would be going 13. Okay, 1300. 1300. I'm dividing by 50, so 10 is gone. 1300. Now I have to get the result. All right. 3 into 1300 and dividing it, you would be getting the result. Or else, do you know the quadratic formula? No idea. If ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the factors, the zeros can be calculated by minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. You will be doing this in algebra, don't worry. In next chapter, we will be working specially on this. This quadratic equation is really, really important. Even after you're completing your college, when you're writing your TET exam for school teacher or NET exam for becoming a professor, lecturer or professor, there also you'll be needing. This will be continuing. All right. So with this, you can easily get the answer. Apply this and get the answer. A brick stairs has total of 30 steps. The bottom step is made up of 100. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less. 100, 98, 96, like that. It will go on. All right. 100, 98, 96, and goes on until n equal to 30. So how many bricks are required? for the topmost step. T30, that is T30. T30 equal to A is 100 plus 29 into minus 2. 100 minus 58, 42. Okay. Top step. Then how many bricks totally needed for building that stress? So this is SN. S30. S30, you would be getting the result. All right. Okay. 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Find the sum up to 12 terms. N equal to 12. First, this one you can easily apply. All right, you can easily apply. Show that S1 plus S2 plus S3. We have to substitute the value and get the result until Sn. This one itself is a value. Then we have to add. All right, add. Here, it may look kind of difficult. 12 sum. Will you try this 12 sum? Take your note and try this 12 sum alone. 12 sum alone. Let's see how good you have prospered. A very important lesson this one is. All right. When you start, I will give this starting time. There is A. A is there. Second term is there. Subtract that. First term is there. Second term is there. So A is this one. A is this one. D is second term minus first term.
Yes.
Find D. Second term minus first term. N is already given. So Sn formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute and try to get the result. மேகா அது என்ன ஆச்சு மாமா அது வந்து சொன்னாரு அப்படியா சரி stop or not reachable. Well, you got 12. How come? Let's check. A equal to A minus B divided by A plus B. D equal to 3A minus 2B divided by A plus B minus A minus B divided by A plus B. So A plus B is, so 3A minus 2B minus A plus B. This becomes 2A minus B divided by A plus B. Did you got this result? 2A minus B divided by A plus B. So Sn equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into A is A minus B divided by A plus B plus 11 into 2A minus B divided by A plus B. Okay, so it is 6 here. 6 into 2 into A, 2A minus 2B divided by A plus B plus 22A minus 11B divided by A plus B. Okay, 6 into, so since this is same, 2A plus 22A, it becomes 24A minus 13B divided by A plus B.
I got
Which one? Where you went wrong?
after the 6 I multiplied 2A.
How come?
I took it common to
A plus B can be taken as common here. 2A minus 2B plus 11 into 2, 22A minus 11B. We have to multiply properly, isn't it? Then the result also divided by A plus B, definitely it will be same. If I take this A plus B as common also, it will be simple. 2 into A minus B plus 11 into 2A minus B. That's why you missed.
I multiplied 2A with that denominator outside.
How can we multiply with denominator? Huh? We can't multiply with denominator. Huh? Okay. So other questions you can. All right. Okay. All right. Can we go for the next one? What can we do for this 11th sum? Any idea? Until Sm. All right. Whose common difference? They are given the common difference also. 1, 3. It increasing S1 plus S2, S3. Common difference is also increasing. And we want to find S1 plus S2 plus S3 until Sn. All right. Let's try. Okay. All right. This is number of terms n equal to, this is d. For each term, d is for first d is 1. For second, d is 3. Third, d is 5. A lot of people will get confused while doing these kind of sums. All right. When they see numbers itself, they will get confused. But when we work on systematically, you can definitely get the result. Let's check. S1. N is 1. 1 by 2 into A. 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus n minus 1 is 0. All right. 1. All right. Then for S2. All right. S2. N equal to 2. D equal to 3. A plus 1 minus 1. A alone. A by 2 alone would be there. A by 2 alone would be there. All right. They haven't given A. They are given only common difference. A minus n minus 1. 1 minus 1 into D. So D is also 1. 0 into 1 is 0. A by 2. Then S2. 2 by 2 into 2 by 2 into 2A. All right. 2A. 2A plus 2 minus 1. 1 into D is 3. So S3. 3 by 2 into 2A plus 2 into 5. All right. 2 into 5. So likewise, last SM. M by 2 into 2A plus, what's the common difference? They tell 2m minus 1. M minus 1. M minus 1 into 2m minus 1. D. All right. So this is what we have to do first. Then we have to add m. All right. Add m for each and every place where this n comes. This common difference is 1, 3. The question. Find the sums of n terms of m. Sums of n terms of m. The sums of n terms of m is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So at each and every place, I have to substitute n by 2, n by 2, n by 2. Here it will be n by 2 and everything. All right. S2. I have to substitute n and get the result. After that, I had to add this. Add this. S1 plus S2 plus S3. I can easily get things common and get the result. All right. Everything would get cancelled. After that, you will be getting the result. All right. This is what you'll be doing. Complete this, you will be getting the answer. All right. 12. So that's what we have to do here. Next one, geometric progression. What is geometric progression? Arithmetic progression is adding a same number. Geometric progression is multiplying with a same common ratio. A1, A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3. All right, A1, A2, A3. 1 minute, brother. A1, A2, A3. So A2 divided by A1 equal to R. So everything has a common difference. (32) and goes on. So this is known as geometric progression. The first term is A and the common ratio is R. Next term would be A into R. Next is AR square. Next is AR cube. Next is AR power 4. It goes on. It's called geometric progression. The number A is called the first term and the number R is called the common ratio. R can be taken by A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. Same. All right. So the general formula for geometric progression is Tn equal to A R power n minus 1. So if you're not strong in powers, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, then 3 powers, 4 powers or 5 powers, you will find it difficult to answer these questions. All right. Okay. How to find whether it is geometric or not? R1 equal to T2 by T1. R2 equal to T3 by T2. If both are same, then it is geometric, or else it's not geometric. A geometric progression is obtained by multiplying dash to the preceding term. Okay, multiplying a common ratio R to the preceding term. A into R, common ratio R. All right. That D, here it is R. A plus D, common difference. This is common ratio. The ratio between the two consecutive GP is known as common ratio given by A2 by A1. R is called as R. Fill up the following. What would be the next number? First, we have to find the common ratio. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. 8 by 1 it becomes 1 time, 2 times. 6. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 8, that becomes 8 by 1. So 6. I have to multiply the number by 6. All right. Then only I'll be getting 3 by 4. Then if I multiply with the 6, I'll be getting. So 1, 3. 9 into 3 is 20. Then it will be proceeding 6, 6, 6. Here it is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 divided by 7. Divided by 7. That will give 1 by 2. So multiply by 1 by 2. It will become 7 by 4. And it proceeds. Irpa. Oh, 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 oh. பயங்கர ரியாக்ஷன் தான் கொடுக்குறியப்பா நீ. இந்த சித்திட்ட கொடுத்து குப்பை தொட்டியில போட்டு. It's 1 by 2. All right. So when you apply the fundamental, you'll be getting the result. Check whether this is geometric progression. 7, 7. No, this is AP. 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2. All right. So 1 into 2 is there. 2 into 2 is there. 8. Yeah, this is GP. Here, into 5. 5 into 5, 25 by 5, okay, 5. 50 by 25 is 2. So no, not a GP. All right. This is not a GP. Then this is okay. Everything has term 2. Then this is not a GP. Find the geometric progression whose first term and common ratios are. A is given, R is here. So geometric progression, first term is minus 7, second term is minus 7 into 6, minus 42, then minus 42 into 6. Minus 42 into 6 is 300. 40 into 6 is 240. 240 plus 12. Whenever you get multiplication like this, 40 plus 2 would be the best choice. 6 into 4, 240 plus 12. Okay, minus 252. And it proceeds. Right? Dot, dot, dot would be giving the answer. This is 1 by 2. R is 1 by 2. So half of this. Next one will be 256 half. 128, 64, 32, and goes on. Right? Progress check. If first term is A and common ratio R, find the value of T9 and T27. T9 will be A, I forgot, A R power n minus 1, Tn, A R power n minus 1, A R power 8, A R power 26. All right. T1 is here, T2 is here. Find the common ratio. 1 by 25 into 5 by 1 divided by 1 by 5, 5. 1 by 5. So I'm multiplying by 1 by 5. So I will be getting 1 by 25. Next will be 1 by 125, 1 by 625. It proceeds on. All right. Find the 8th term of GP. 3 by 9 is 1 by 3. 8th term is 9 into 1 by 3 power 7. This is 3 squared. All right. So 3 squared into 1 by 3 power 7. 3 power 5. 3 power 5 is 243. If you know the values of powers, you'll be getting the answer immediately. Or else 3 power 4 is 81. From there you can proceed. 81 into 3, then into 3, then into 3. All right, you'll be getting the answer fast. In a GP, the 4th term is 8 by 9. The 7th term is 64 by 243. If you know this is 2 cube, this is 3 squared, this is 2 power 6, 2 power 6, this is 3 power 5, you'll be getting the answer immediately. T4 and T7. When I divide this, 64 divided by 243 equal to this one. Okay. All right. Automatically you'd be getting the result. This one, AR power 3 divided by, AR power 6 divided by AR power 3. So A will get cancelled. Only R cube will be there. And here I have to divide, isn't it? 9 by 8. This one time, 8 times, 1 time, 27 times. If you know it would be easy for you. 2 power 6 into 3 squared, 3 power 5 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is there, 3 power 3 is there. So r cube equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. R equal to 2 by 3. When you know R equal to 2 by 3, you can substitute, isn't it? Alright. That much water is not good. Slow down. Slow down the water. Yeah, that is a good boy. Very, very good boy. What happened? Face wash. Face wash. Wash your face. Very good. Automatically, you'd be getting the result. That's it. You have to know at least 2 powers. 2 power 0 to 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 10 is 1024. Likewise, 3 powers at least till 10 will be very good choice. Even till 6 is also fine. 3 power 6 is 729. That is 9 cube. Applying the fundamental concept, you can easily get 9 cube. All right. So when you are strong with the fundamental, you'll be getting the result easily. Right. Okay. Apply the fundamental. We know it is 8 by 9, isn't it? T4. A r cube is T4. So 8 by 9 equal to A into 2 cube. 8 divided by 27. So 8 would get cancelled. 1 time, 3 time. This 3 goes here. A equal to 3. A equal to 3. So next one into 2 by 3. Into 2 by 3. You'll be getting the progression. All right. When the product of three consecutive terms is taken, there also we did sum. Here product. If it's product, we have to take A by R, A and AR. Thus RR would be getting cancelled. You'll be getting A cube equal to. If it's 4 term, A by R cube, A by R, AR and AR cube. Automatically this thing will get cancelled, A power 4. All right. If you know the value of this, you can easily get. If they know the value, what's the value for this, you can easily get the result. Okay, this is. All right. Check, you will be getting the proper results. See here, the product of three consecutive terms of GP is 343. So when I take like this, when I cancel, it becomes A cube. This is 7 cube. We have to know at least 1 cube to 10 cube. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729,000 cubes. That's how you can easily find the cube roots. They're given that sum of terms is 91 by 3. So when I take sum, I can easily work here. I can take A as common. Now I know A is 7, isn't it? When I divide this, I'll be getting 91 can be divided, you'll be getting 13. All right, 13. So when I take LCM here, this place, LCM here, 1 by R, I'll be getting 1 plus R square divided by R, LCM. So this will be getting multiplied here. The stream would be multiplied here. Finally getting this result. After that, 3 into 3, 9. When I multiply, I should get 9. When I add, I should get minus 10. So 9 into 1 would be the best choice. Minus. After that, taking common, I'll be getting this. R equal to 3 or 1 by 3. Both will be same. 7 by 3, 7, 21. 21, 7, 7 by 3. A condition for 3 numbers to be in GP. 3 numbers to be GB. What is the rule? There we got 2B equal to, for AP, 2B equal to A plus C. Here B squared equal to AC. First term into third term equal to B squared. That is the rule for GP. B squared equal to AC. So here too we are just going to apply the fundamental rule. Mission. If I am getting a mobile, the cost of this mobile is 30,000 rupees. Okay, this mobile, what's happening with this mobile? After 1 month, its value will be decreasing. After another month, it will its value will be decreasing. So how much percent it will be decreasing? 10% it will be decreasing. So the value would be 90%. Next year, what would happen? After dividing this, I'll be getting 36,000 only. 10% of 36,000 is 3,600. I have to minus that. That would be 90 by 100. So it goes on. Second year, at the end of, initially it is 40,000. At the end of 1 year, into 90 by 100. At the end of second year, it would be another into 90 by 100. And it goes on. All right. And it goes on. That's how we have to find the value of this. So we can easily cancel 1010 and another 4 zeros can be cancelled here. 4 zeros can be cancelled here. Multiply 81 into 81. Then 81 into 81 into 9, or else this is 3 power 10. 3 power 10 divided by 10. You'll be getting this. See here, 81 into 81 into, you can easily proceed. If you understand that this is 3 squared into 3 squared into 3 squared, automatically you will get, okay, I have to find 3 power 10. If you know what's the value of 3 power 10, you won't be having any trouble at all. All right. Or else, if you know 9 into 9 into 9, 729. Then this would be 9 into 9, 81. This will also give the answer. 729 into 81 would be giving the answer. Multiply this, and there is 1 0 center. When I put a full stop there, automatically I will be getting the result. Okay, that's how I will be getting. So try to work these sums also. Follow the fundamental rule. They are told that this is the consecutive term of GP. So x plus 12 squared equal to x plus 6 into x plus 15. X plus 12 squared, x squared plus 24x plus 144. This one is x squared plus 21x plus 90. So I can cancel x squared, then I will take this 21x here, it becomes 3x. I will take this minus 144 here. So 90 minus 144. 90 minus 144, this is minus 54. This again, when I cancel, it becomes minus 18, x equal to minus 18. All right. Just follow the rules. They are told that it is a consecutive term of GP. So our rule is b squared equal to AC. Apply that, you will be getting the result. This is 3 power 6. This is 3 power 5. So 3, 3, 3, 3. It is getting divided by 3. 1 by 3 is R. A equal to 729 into 1 by 3 power 6. So get cancels 1. I know this is 3 power 6. Here it is also divided by 3 power 6. 1, or else it will be taking lots and lots and lots of time. That's not possible. That's why I want you to be strong with all these fundamentals. If you are strong with the squares and cubes and powers, you would become very, very fast in your workout. The same thing, T9 and T6. They want us to find the 12th term. T9 is A R power 8. T6 A R power 5. R power 4 will be there. Divide these two. You'd be getting a fundamental value. All right. It would be around 30. It will be around 32,000. You'd be getting around 16. All right. You'd be getting around 16. So automatically R would become 2. R would become 1 by 2. 1 by 2, you would be getting the answer. Okay. When you apply the fundamental, the answers are strong. Apply it, get the result. Apply it, get the result. Try these sums also, all the sums. Whichever sum you can't, those sums I will teach you. Beforehand itself, morning itself, send those question numbers for both the exercise. There we did all the sums. All right. Whichever question you had doubt, send those questions. Automatically we will work on it. Okay. All done. Right. Well done. Okay. It's almost 12:51. 12:51. Let's go for SN. All right. What is SN? Sum of GP here. All right. Geometric progression. Geometric progression. Sum of n terms of geometric progression. So here I'm taking A plus AR plus AR squared and goes on. If I take A as common, it becomes 1 plus R squared plus Q. It proceeds. All right. Got it? Then when I subtract this, I'll multiply it by R. Here I'm multiplying by R. I'll be getting AR. When I subtract RSN minus SN, I'll be getting R minus 1. Here, after subtracting the only value, the first value and the last value will be first and last will be there. All other items will be cancelled. So AR power n minus A will be there. Here also I can take A as common. This R minus 1, when it goes down, it will be the answer. Sn equal to A R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. All right. Provided R greater than not equal to 1 and also greater than 1. If it's lesser than 1, it becomes 1 minus R power n. It becomes 1 minus R power n. Here also 1 minus R. All right. That will be the difference. So if it's a constant only with R equal to 1, automatically Sn is Na. Series whose terms are in geometric progression is called sum of GP. Okay, sum of GP. When R equal to 1, the formula to finding the sum of n terms of GP is An. When R not equal to 1, the formula to find the sum of n terms of GP is A into R power n minus 1 R minus 1. Okay, Sn. A into R power minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So sum of finite terms, it would be between these things. It will it be greater than 1 or lesser than 1? 1 by, what would be the answer if it's 1 by? That's what we are going to work here. All right. Sum, the sum of infinite series, infinite terms, that is, there is no end. Infinite series is very simple. A divided by 1 minus R. Actually, you will be getting this formula from algebra. All right, algebra, not now, from 11th grade. It is known as binomial expansion. All right, binomial expansion. If it goes on and the value is minimum, value is very minimum, that is in fractions, minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1, that is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 8. It should not be lesser than minus 1 or greater than plus 1. For that values, for these kind of fractions, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1, minus 1 by 8, all these, it will be A divided by 1 minus R. All right. Find the sum of 8 terms. 8 terms. A equal to 1, R equal to minus 3 divided by 1, minus 3. All right, minus 3, which is lesser than 1. We can see that which is lesser than 1. So when I apply A, 8 terms they ask, isn't it? S8 equal to A R power, that is minus 3 power 8 minus 1. All right. What is minus 3 power 8? See here, 729 to 6. All right, to 6. 729 is power 6. Into 9 will be giving 8. Into 9 will be giving 8. Minus 1 divided by minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. That's how you'll be getting the answer. All right. S6 equal to this. R equal to 4. R is greater than 1. S6 is 4095. So S6 equal to A R 4 power 6 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. All right, 4 minus 1. So this value is 495. 4095. 4095. So applying the concept, this would become 3. This 3 will be multiplied here. This 3 will be we need A. So the 3 will be going opposite. And this one, 4 power 6. What is 4 power 6? That is 2 power 12. It will be 4096. All right, 4096. So applying that, I'll be getting the desired result. A equal to this one. Okay, everything would get cancelled. I'll be getting the result directly. A equal to 3. All right. Then with this as a fundamental, I'll be starting my work. Okay. Here 1, 4. It is multiplied by 4. Make a sum 1365. So Sn equal to A into R. R is 4. 4 power n minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1, 3. So I'll multiply this here. Okay. Then minus 1, it will come here. It will get added to it. 3. This 3 would get multiplied here. Then I would add this 1 to it. I know this is 2 power 12. That is 4 power 6. To infinity. It's getting divided by 3. That is 1 by 3. Hence, A divided by 1 minus R. 1 minus R would be the answer. Like we already spoke about. That will give the answer. See here, it should be between minus 1 to plus 1. Formula would be A divided by 1 minus R. Here also, find the rational form of 0.666. What is 0.66666? 0.6 plus 0.006. This is very important sum. You'll be getting in the finals also. All right, we have to be strong with this. So here, we can easily segregate, isn't it? A is 0.6. That is between minus 1 to plus 1. 0.6 is definitely between that. So ratio is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is between that. Okay, definitely it's between. So when I segregate that value, I'll be getting the result. All right, what is the common ratio? I can easily express this. All right, A is this one, R is this one. I can easily express the following. Here, I'll take 5 as common. 1, 11, 111. This is not GP. This is not GP. Then I will multiply into 9 divided by 9. I'll get 999, 999 and goes on. Now 9 is 10 minus 1. 99 is 100 minus 1. 1000 minus 1. For n terms. So how many n is there? How many 1 is there? N terms of 1 is there. 10 plus 100 plus minus n. Now this is in GP. A equal to 10. R equal to 100 by 10. That is also 10. So 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. That's how I'd be getting the final result. Okay. Make it simple, you'll be getting the result. Okay. Then what they are doing here, they are just multiplying, nothing more. Don't get confused. They are just multiplying with this together. Like this, they can ask 4 plus 44 plus also, or 2 plus 22 plus. You have to take 2 as common, into 9 divided by 9. The same rules. All right, same rules will be applied. Find the least positive integer such that 6 squared lesser than 5,000. It should not be greater than 5,000. These additions. So we have to check that one. Lesser than 5,000. All right. So I multiply this 5 here, it becomes 25,001. All right. Then I take this minus 1 here, it becomes plus 1. All right. That's why I get here. So 6 power n is greater than 25 power n. So taking powers, it will be 6 power 5 is this one. 6 power 6 is very large. So this one would be the answer. Or else it will be very, very high. 6 power 6 will be very, very high. That's why we can conclude that 6 power 5 will be getting answers lesser than. If it's 6 power 6, the answer will be crossing that 5,000. Okay. Apply the concept, try to get the result. That's what you have to do in GP. Try the sums also. We should be completing this whole big chapter tomorrow. You try to work the sums. Whichever you have doubt, put all those numbers together. After completing the sum of AP, and after completing sum of AP, okay, I'm fine with it. Go to GP. Are you comfortable with all the sums? Whichever you have doubt or it's taking more time for you, note that and send it to me. When you complete the GP, send it to me. Then sum of GP, whichever sums you couldn't understand or you couldn't form, send that numbers. If I put those numbers alone, those questions alone, we can easily complete the whole chapter. All right. Okay. That's what you will be doing here. Make it simple. Your answers will be easy. All right. Special series. What is special series? Special series is like 1, 2, 3 natural numbers. If I'm adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, or 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, or 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, or 1 plus 3 plus 5, odd number till 2n minus 1, or even number 2, 4 until 2n. Natural number, odd number, even number, squares, cubes, all these are known as special series. If it's sum of n natural numbers, 1 and 2, all right, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, we can identify that x plus 1 whole squared minus x squared would be giving that term, isn't it? Likewise, when we are applying it, we'll get 1, 2, 3 will be getting this. So when I finally solve this problem, I'll be getting sum of natural number 1 plus 2 plus until any number 50 is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. All right. Then if it's for odd natural number, Sn, 1 plus last term is 2n minus 1. When I substitute that, I'll be getting n squared alone. I told you no, odd natural numbers will be n squared. Then with then they not given this even number. Even number will be starting by 2, 4 and ends by 2n. The answer would be n into n plus 1 alone. N into n plus 1 alone for even number. Then sum of squares. sum of squares, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Definitely you can easily cancel the 6. With two terms you can easily cancel. So this is how you would be getting sum of n square. Here the last one, cube. 1 cube plus 3 cube will be just like sum of natural, square of sum of natural number will be giving the answer. If it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 20, we'll be writing 20 into 21 divided by 2, 210. If it's 1 cube plus 2 cube plus until 20 cube, it is 210 whole square. That is 44100. All right. So consider the numbers ideal friendship. Consider the numbers 220 to 284. 220 to 284. The sum of the divisor. Okay. The sum of the divisors of 220 excluding 220 is, okay, all the divisors of 220. See, these are known as friendship number. All right, ideal friendship number. 220 and 280. What are all the factors of 220? If you add all the factors of 220, you will be getting 284. If you all the factors of 284, you will be getting 220. All right. The sum of divisors of one number excluding itself is the other. Such pair of numbers is called amicable numbers or friendly numbers. 220 and 284 are the least pair of amicable numbers. They are described by Pythagoras. We now know more than 12 million amicable pair of numbers. Actually, it was described by Mr. Pythagoras. What and all number can, what and all divisor can completely divide it? Add all that. We can say it as a factor also. And what and all would be dividing this 284. Add all that. This one will be vice versa. These are known as amicable numbers. And this is the least one, 220 and 284. What is this? Addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 into 5 by 2. 10. 10 will form this. All right. So two things will form squares. That's how we work on fundamental. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 divided by 2. See here, 4 into 5 divided by 2. That's the concept we are applying here. The sum of first n natural numbers are called as triangular numbers because of their triangular shape. Triangular shape. The sum of squares of first n natural number is known as pyramidal numbers because the pyramidal shape was square based. See here, 5 square, 25 squares. Then 4 square, 16 squares. Then 3 square, 9 square. Then 2 square, 4 and 1. That will be the structure of pyramid. Base will be a square, 25 squares, 5 into 5. And above that, one step below. So 4 square. Then above that, 3 square. Then above that, 2 square. Finally, 1 square. That is a pyramidal shape. Okay. So if we could calculate, if we could number the one side of stone, one side of the stones of pyramid, we can square it. We can find that, okay, it will go up to 1 square. If there is 20 square, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 20 square gives the number of that stone blocks to make that pyramid. All right. Why that is so strongest? It is like each and every block is getting strong by the above block. So it will not fall off that much easily, the pyramids. That's why they have created that shape. All right. So that's how we can calculate this. How many squares are there in standard chessboard? How many squares? 8 into 8, 64. How many rectangles are there in the standard chessboard? How many rectangles are there? There will be a lot of combination. There will be lots and lots of combination. Not only that. All right. It will be done by combination and permutation combination. How many rectangle would be formed is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This much combination will be possible. Each and every square is a rectangle also. Then 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares, 6 squares. It will be proceeding like this. Then again like this. Then combination. You will be having this many rectangles in the chessboard. Individual square is different. Total rectangles available is also different. Okay. How many rectangles can be formed? This much rectangles can be formed. A square is also a rectangle. All squares are rectangle. Not all rectangles are squares. Okay. So we have three major concepts. Natural number n into n plus 1 by 2. Odd number n squared. Even number n into n plus 1. Squares n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. All right. We just have to apply it. So 50 into 51 by 2, 25 into 51 would be getting the answer. Here 16 to 75. We know answer for 1 to 75. We don't know for 16 to 75. If you want, you can apply the concept of SN, AP, all right, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. If you want to apply this concept, then it is 1 to 75 minus 1 to 15 will give 16 to 75. All right. I can take 2 as common here, or else anyway I can cancel this 2. 76 by 2, 38. 75 into 38, 15 into 8. Automatically you'll be getting the result. All right. Here too, if you want to take common, you can take common. 15 as common. And definitely you would be finding it easy. See here, 75 into 38 minus 15 into 8 is here. I'll take 15 as common. 15. This becomes 5. 5 into 38 is 190 minus 8. So 15 into 182 will be giving the answer. 15 into 182 is 1820. This is for 10. Half of this, 9, 10 would be half of this. Will be giving the answer. You can easily make multiplications by normal method also. Okay. See, the sum of cubes of the first n natural number is dash of the first n natural square of cube is square of sum of natural numbers square. Average of first 100 natural number. What is average? Sum divided by number of terms is average, isn't it? So when we think properly, sum is 100 into 101 divided by 2. All right, 100 into 101 divided by 2. Divided by 100. So this 100 would get cancelled. So only 101 by 2 would be there. That is 50.5. So whatever sum of numbers divided by average will be first term plus last term divided by 2. Not only for this, for any numbers, for AP2. First term plus last term divided by 2 will be giving the answer. All right. First term plus last term divided by 2. So first natural 100 natural number, 1 plus 100 divided by 2. I got the answer immediately. I don't have to write and get the answer. Whatever the number, if it's in AP, this is also in AP, isn't it? If I ask for 76 to 100 also, average of 76 to 100, then also 76 plus 100 by 2 will give the answer. All right, by 2 would be giving the 176 by 100. Okay, 88 would be the answer. Here, find the sum of up to 40 terms. Odd numbers, 40 square, 1600. Here, even number. So n into n is 40 by 2. 40 by 2. 40. N is 40. So 40 into 41 would give the answer. Here, 1, 3, 5 to 55. So how to find n? 55 minus 1 by 2. Last term minus first term divided by 2. Okay, plus 1. Okay, all right. You remember n. Last term minus first term, 54 divided by 2 plus 1 would be giving the answer. So with that, you will be proceeding. 28 terms. So 28 square, 784. Square, 19 square. So n into 19 into 20 plus 38 plus 1, 39. Here it goes in 3 table. 2 times 13, 10. 19 into 13. What is 19 into 13? 19 plus 3, 22. 220 plus 9 3s are 27. 247. See, your speed will be increasing enormously. All right. The same thing here, 25. Here what they have done, 5 square, 10 square, 15 square. What is this? So I have to, this is 5 square into 5 into 2 whole square, 5 square into 2 square. This is 5 into 3 whole square. So I'm taking 5 square as common, 25. Then I'm getting square. This one would be 21 into 22 into 43 divided by 6. Again, I'll be cancelling 2. I'll be getting the answer. All right. Make it as simple as possible. You'll be getting the answer. Here, this one will be 7. 7, 2 times 11. All right. 11. So we can easily, which way we can multiply this? Try to work on this. 7 into 43. 7 into 43. 280 plus 21. 301. How come 5? Okay. 301 into 25. We can do it into 4 divided by 4. All right. This would become 100. This would become 100. So when I half this and again half this, 150.5, 75.25 into 100, 725 would be the answer for this. 7525. Then into 11, 7525 into 11. How we have to multiply this is, first term 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 1, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. Last term, you'll be getting the answer. All right. So 182,775. See here, all the multiplications and everything are cut short. Simplify. You'll be getting the result faster. All right. Normally, the sums will be taking lot of time for multiplication, division, and everything. Where and all we can cut short it. If you cut short it properly, the answer will be swift. Here, from 15 square. So 1 to 28 minus 1 to 14 will be giving the answer. Here also, whatever common you can take that as common. See here, 14 and 29 is common here. If you want, you can cancel as many as possible. Then we can take as many common, and automatically multiplication would become easy for you. Okay, can we try? This is 3 times 14 times. Okay, this is 1 time 19 times. All right, so this is 3 times 7, 1 time 5 times. So I take 7 and 29 common. 7 into 29 as common. Balance I'd be having 2 into, here I'll be having 2. Here I'll be having 19. Minus here I'd be having 5 alone. 38 minus 5, 33. 38 minus 5, 33. Okay, so 33 can be written as 11 into 3. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 is into 29 is 30, 60, 609. I taught you 11 to 19, isn't it? 12 to 19, like that. If it's from 21 to 29, add the small number, 30, double it, 600, 60 it is, 600 plus 1 into 9, 609. All right, I will give you that exercise. After this, we will look into those exercises. It's already 120. Okay, so now we have 601, 609 into 11. So 6 plus 0, 6. Automatically you'll be getting the sum. Okay, that's how we have to work with. Look into the sums, combine everything, you will get the answer. Actually, this is the last exercise. Look into it, everything would become easy. It is a big exercise, but if you work properly, you can easily complete this. For 2 months, they'll be taking these 2 chapters itself. Okay, we can easily complete this 1/8 of the time, understanding. Then if you work, next one would be algebra. If you completed algebra, almost most of the 10th will be over, because you will be applying algebra in algebra, this AP, GP and everything in future chapters too. After completion of that, everything will be okay. Let's go. Take it and proceed on. All right. Okay. Okay, your worksheets. I'll save it. We'll be working the questions which you find difficult in this sheet itself. You remember this? 4, 9. Add this 4, 23. 230 plus 36. 4 into 9, 36. Likewise, we are moving for the next part. This. All right. This is also very simple. Since it's in 20 base, 2 more than, 5 more than. Add this. 25 plus 2, 27. But double it. Since it's 20 base, double the value. 27 into 2, 54. 540 plus 10. This will be same. 540 plus 10. It will be 550. If this 4, 8, 32. Doubling 32. 64. 640 plus 32. 672. 7, 6, 36. Double it. 72. 720 plus 56. 7, 76. Right? 23. 3, 9. 32. 64. 640 plus 27. 667. We can easily multiply in this order. Like this only, I multiplied 21 into 29. 1, 9. 30, doubling it, 600 plus 9, 609. Whenever you work properly, definitely you would be getting a very, very good result. It's up to you to work on that. All right. This is what about. Like this exercise will be having these kind of concepts. So now you would have understood what we would be getting for 3's. It's 2 more, it's 5 more. Minimum 37. Now we have to triple 37. Triple of this 111. So 111 0 plus 10. All right, 111 0 plus 10. So 1120. Here 3 6 39. 117. 39 into 3. 117 0 plus 18. 1188. 4 8 42. 126 0 plus 32. 1292. Okay. Here see 60 plus 32. All your addition and subtraction exercise automatically cumulates to this. Okay. You'll be getting a strong answer here and there, here and there, here and there. Okay. 1292. All right. Think properly and work effectively. You'll be getting into that. All right. This is what we have to do. 7 9 46. 46 into 3 138. 0 plus 63 1443. Like that we can proceed on and on and on. Wow, we have done a big session today. 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, 2 hours 45 minutes we worked on. 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, well done. Right, these are the things which you have to work. Now I'm going to take printout of these two. We have worked for 2 hours 45 minutes. It's a great job done. So it's up to you to complete and ask for doubts. If a doubts are less, I'll immediately travel into the algebra. All right, if you don't have much doubt, going into algebra. If we proceed in this manner, in another 4 or 5 days before you start, we'll be completing algebra also before that time. Almost half of the portion is over like that. Okay, very good. Let's proceed. 2 hours 45 minutes. Print out.